This video walks you through how to create a task list template in Clio Manage. Begin by signing into your Clio Manage account. Once you are on the main screen, look to the left-hand menu and click Tasks. This opens the area where task-related items are managed, including individual tasks and reusable task list templates. After Task opens, select the Task List tab. This tab is where you can view existing task lists and create new ones. From there, click New Task List to start building a new template. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the form appears before moving forward. In the New Task List form, enter a name for the task list. Use a title that clearly identifies the purpose of the template so it is easier to find later when you need to reuse it. The name is the main label for this task list, so it should match the type of work or process the list is meant to support. Next, you can complete the optional details. Enter a description if you want to add more context about how the task list should be used. This can help distinguish one template from another, especially if your account contains several similar task lists. You can also select a practice area if that applies to the work this template will be associated with. If you do not need either of these fields, you can leave them blank and continue. Once the required information is in place, click Save and Add Tasks. This saves the task list itself and takes you to the section where you can begin adding the individual tasks that belong in the template. Make sure the task list name is correct before you continue, since that is the label you will see when using the template in the future. Now add the tasks you want included in the template. Enter each task one at a time, following the fields available on the screen, then save each task after you create it. Continue until all of the tasks that belong in this list have been added. Saving each task as you go helps ensure that every item is recorded in the template correctly. When all tasks have been added and saved, save the completed task list template for future use. At this point, the full template is stored in Clio Manage and can be used again whenever you need that same set of tasks for a matter or workflow.